Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and today's video is about three approaches how to control your sound when singing. So there are three ways to control your sound. Focus on image, focus on feeling, and focus on sound. Focus on image. Especially female singers and female coaches love this approach. You imagine something and you make a feeling of it. What do I mean? You may pretend that you have an egg inside your throat. You may pretend that you're eating a hamburger. So you imagine some image that will help you move your muscles. The disadvantage of this is that you will also need to check the sound, and you will need to focus on the image itself and the sound, because you need to check it, how it works. And also you may forget it during the song. So the next approach is focus on feeling. You feel it throughout the song, it's an advantage, but you will also need to check it hearing the sound. So you focus on the feeling. How to do this? For example, the feeling, the same thing. For example, you want to lower your larynx and you do this, and you focus on the feeling of this. Okay, you will have this feeling throughout the song, but you will need to check your sound according to how you sound. So you will also need to keep in mind two things: the feeling and the sound. And the last thing, focusing on the sound. The main advantage of this is that you won't need to check anything else except the sound itself. For example, if you want to lower your larynx, you focus on the sound of low larynx. You focus on when you sound like this. You remember your voice, you remember how you sound like this, and you're focusing on the sound of your low larynx. And you won't need to check anything else except the sound. But everything is individual. For many people, especially women, as I can tell you, focusing on image is the most comfortable approach. Focusing on feeling is also comfortable for many people. So it's very individual. Check, try, and leave a comment which approach is the best for you. Thank you for watching. Write your questions.